Okay, yeah, I'm back. I got my glass of wine. I'm getting ready to make a seafood boil with crab legs, shrimp, potatoes, sausage, corn, lemon. This is the seasoning that I've been using. Here's my crab and my shrimp in the sink. So, and this is the pot that I'll be cooking it in. It's already filled with water. This is my Haitian spice, my homemade Haitian spice that I made myself, of course. It looks like shit, but it's really delicious and it smells really good. It's all different types of spices. You could go on my Facebook or my Snapchat or my Instagram to see how I made this. And when I say you don't need any seasoning for real when you use this, you could put this in anything and everything. I normally cook this with any and everything that I cook. And my significant other slash hubby loves it. So yeah, getting ready to get started. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna put all of this, not all of it, but majority of this in here. Just put a little bit in here because I don't want to put too much. Ooh. And now I'm dripping it. See, that's what happens when you drink before you cook. I should have been drinking while I was cooking, but it didn't work that way. I'm gonna put another spoonful in there, and then I'm gonna go to my other seasonings. So I got that in there. Set this to the side. So next, I will be adding 3 bags of Louisiana crawfish shrimp and crab boil, and I'll be adding it directly to the water. I do have my stove on, you guys. It's on medium. Well, a little bit past medium. So I'm going to add 3 bags. And you can get this from your local grocery store. Hopefully they'll have it. I got mine from Schnucks. This is the 3rd bag. Make sure all the content's in there. You know how mama used to do it. You got to make sure all of it in there. I ain't wasting no money. And then I'm going to be adding a bag of Cajun shrimp seasoning mix. I'm going to add this to the water as well. Make sure I get all of that in there. Gotta get all of it in there. Can't leave nothing out. I feel some mixture in here. I feel some mixture in here. I'll make sure all that's in there. Then we're gonna stir it up. We're gonna bring this to a boil because I want to bring it to a boil before I just start putting food actually in there. And there's a method to how I put my food in here. Like everything doesn't go in at the same time. We're going to stir this, we're going to bring this to a boil, and then we're going to start adding our food in. Until next time, I will be adding Old Bay seasoning, a little bit of salt, and the shrimp and crab boil. This is what the shrimp and crab boil looks like. So this is what I'll be dumping into the water while the crab and shrimp and all the other meat and vegetables cook. Until next time, guys. I will also be adding garlic. I'm going to dump the rest of these contents, including the juice, into the crab boil mix. So now, you guys, I'm getting ready to add the potatoes, the sausage, and the corn and lemon. I personally don't eat sausage. I don't eat meat. I eat seafood, but my boyfriend likes meat, so I still have to cook meat. I just don't eat it personally myself. I'm going to go ahead and add Ooh. Let me do this like this. Because I'm just splashing it everywhere. Do it like that. Matter of fact, let me do it like this. Put the spoon in there to get it. So I'm adding the potatoes. Now I'm doing this by myself. I don't have assistance like most would have. Okay, now I'm getting ready to add the meat. I'm going to do the same method because I feel like it's going to splash everywhere. Here. Look, I done already made a mess, y'all. But mind you, it will be cleaned up. My mother always taught me, clean while you cook, baby. Clean while you cook so you won't have that much to clean up after all the cooking is done. And me, I'm lazy to a certain extent, and I don't like cleaning up a lot. So all of this will be cleaned up before I even get done cooking. I already got the dishwasher going. Honey, I plays no games. Because when I eat, it's a wrap. I'm not cleaning up after I eat. It's a wrap. Everything is going to get added to this dishwasher. And that's going to be it. Okay, now add in the lemon drop. Lemon drop. Another lemon. I'm adding 4. It's 2 lemons. I just cut them in half. And the sausage that I put in here, it's just smoked sausage. I put about like 5 of them and I cut them up into pieces. So now I'm going to be adding the corn. I may need to get rid of some of this juice. I put too much juice in here. Why I say juice? I put too much water in here. So I'm adding the corn now. And I'm going to let that boil. And then I'll be back. Okay, now I'm getting ready to add the shrimp and the crab. So we just gonna pour all of this in there. Then we're gonna put the crabs in there. Make sure I don't get my fingers in there. Still look good, don't it? Make sure it's all in there. And now, all we gotta do is make sure it cooked. I'm behind the TV. I got my niece and nephew over here. My niece and nephew over here. Gonna make sure that's submerged in there. And put the top back on. Boom. The finished product. Okay, sorry. Can I do what, boo?
Hi guys, thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more videos from me, go ahead and comment below. Please like and subscribe. See you guys later.